This is 1 kg chicken for making chicken 65 as well as chicken manchuria. We'll try for first 65. So in that add 1 tablespoon of Badshah garam masala. Add a bit of more. Next add Badshah Tandoori Chicken masala. Next add ginger garlic paste of 1 tablespoon. These are green chilies, around 7 to 8 finely paste. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And add 1 big tablespoon of curd. Add salt to taste. These are peppercorn powders or pepper powder. 1 full tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. Add a bit of ajinomoto or tasting salt. Half tablespoon coriander powder or dhania powder. Next add kesar yellow. Add 2 eggs. Should not add water into this. Mix well. Good. After mixing, this chicken looks like this. Let's start deep frying. The chicken is deep fried. Let's take out from this. And has to deep fried all chicken. So this is the fried chicken. Let's start chicken 65 making.